Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the knife game in Red Dead Redemption 2. First, you'll want to find a table with the knife game prompt, usually in a saloon or a camp. Walk up to it and press the button shown on screen to initiate the game. Before you begin, you'll have the option to select your desired difficulty, ranging from easy to very hard. This choice will significantly impact the speed and complexity of the button sequences you'll face. Get ready for a thrilling challenge. Once the game starts, your main task is to observe the on-screen prompts. These will show you which button to press and in what order. The key is to press the correct button precisely when it highlights. Think of it like a rhythm game. A consistent, steady pace is crucial. If you press the wrong button or miss the timing, your character will unfortunately hit their fingers, ending the round. Stay focused and keep your eyes on those prompts. As you successfully complete rounds, the game will progressively speed up, making the button prompts appear much faster. If you chose a higher difficulty, you'll notice more intricate and longer button sequences right from the start. To truly master the knife game, you need to combine accuracy with quick reflexes. Anticipate the next button and try to establish a smooth, continuous flow. The better your timing and precision, the longer you'll last and the higher your score will climb. There are some great benefits to playing and winning the knife game. Each successful round can earn you a small amount of money and even boost your honor. To consistently win, practice is key. The more you play, the better your hand-eye coordination will become. Always pay close attention to the visual cues. Sometimes the prompts will flash slightly before they need to be pressed. With a little dedication, you'll be a knife game champion in no time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.